Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up Ollama. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Ollama, and the first link which will appear here will be from ollama.com. So let me click on this link, and on the home page itself I can see the simple command which I can copy to install Ollama on my Mac operating system. So I'm going to just click on this copy button, and let me minimize this browser. And I'm going to go to my Spotlight search and then search for terminal, and just click on this terminal option. And once the terminal opens, just paste this command, which is curl -fssl, and the link to this shell script which can install Ollama on our Mac operating system. So just press enter here, and you can see it's downloading Ollama and then installing the Ollama. In between, it might ask you to provide your Mac's password which you use to log into your Mac operating system. So I'm going to give my password and then press enter, and it's going to move forward. And you can see it says it's starting Ollama and then installation complete. So you can now run Ollama. Also, I can see this app background activity. So Ollama can run in the background. You can manage background activity in login items and extensions. Now, once Ollama is installed, you can run Ollama commands and download the popular models using the command line itself. But you can also find this utility in your apps. So when you click on this apps section, you will see this Ollama icon, which you can click here, and it's going to open this kind of graphical user interface, right? And so you can see this graphical user interface for Ollama has been started. And here, first of all, you can select the models. So these are the models which are cloud-based models. You can see all these models are cloud-based models. But when you scroll down, you can see some models you can download locally and then use them. So all these models which have these download icons, you can download them locally on your Mac operating system. So I'm going to use one of these cloud models, let's say Minimax M2. Now, as soon as I select this model, I can see this kind of message which says I need to sign in to my Ollama accounts to use those cloud models or download the available models, right? So I'm going to click on this sign in button, which is going to open this sign in page for Ollama. I'm going to use my Google account to sign into the Ollama. And once I signed in with my Google account, you can see my account is created here. And here I'm going to just connect this device. So I'm going to click on connect here, and it says device connected successfully. So once I see this message, I can just go back to this chat, and here I can start sending message, right? So this model is already selected, and let's say I want to just write a very simple C++ program. So I'm going to just write a C++ hello world program, and then press enter here. And using this model, Ollama is going to create a very simple hello world program, and it also explains me each and every line and what it does in the explanation section. Now here on this graphical user interface, when you click on this Ollama option, you can see settings related to Ollama. You can also quit this graphical user interface. Also, when you click on file option, you can create a new chat from here. So I'm going to click on new chat, and it's going to create a new chat. I can click on this show sidebar, and then I can see the history of my chats. In the edit section, I can see the standard edit options. Now, if you want to install some model using Ollama, you can do it via the terminal. So just go to your terminal. Here, just write Ollama run and the name of the model, right? So the name of the models are available on the Ollama website. So when you go to this Ollama official website, and once you create your account with Ollama, when you click on models here, you will be able to see all the models which are available by their popularity. You can also see which models are cloud based or embeddings or visual models or tools or thinking models. So if I want to select, let's say, this thinking model, I can sort them by the popularity. So let's say if I want to install this model, which is Minimax hyphen M 2.5 model, I can click on this model and I can see what kind of command I need to install this model. So now when you go in your browser and instead of this search, when you type library here, so ollama.com/library, you will see more popular options which are available, right? So right now this Llama 3.1 is the most popular and it has been downloaded or pulled 110 million times, and then you can see all these models by their popularity. So this is how you can install Ollama on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.